am Dr. Abhilasha Ambatipudi. Welcomes you to MOOC's course to get answers for all these questions on public personal administration. Development and welfare orientations have led to the expansion of government and its administrative machinery. The tasks, responsibilities and activities of organizations demand efficient personnel at every level in terms of effective discharge of their duties and responsibilities. Public personal administration is an important aspect in the modern state. This course includes video lectures by experts, various case studies, quizzes, assignments, interactions, assessments and much more that would certainly add value to your understanding of public personal administration. We, EMRC Pune, look forward you to be part of this exciting e-learning journey. Happy learning. Thank you.